Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious stew. Guys, when I tell you that this stew is delicious, believe me, this stew is super yummy. You will love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, do all the beautiful stuff to this channel, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. Guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. Here are my ingredients for this recipe. I have here my already smoked fish. I have my chopped onions, my vegetable oil, my thyme and curry powder. I have here my pepper mix. I have a video on how I make my pepper mix. I'll be linking it to this video. And here is my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary no. My salt. And here I have my tomato paste. So now let's start making our stew. In a pot, I'm going to be heating up some vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add in my chopped onions. I love plenty onions in my stew. You can slice the onions any shape you want, okay? I'm going to be adding in my curry powder and thyme directly in the oil. This enhances the flavor of your stew, of whatever you're cooking, okay? Just try it. If you have not been doing this, please do it. I'm going to stir this now. Allow this to fry for a few minutes. Few minutes later, I will add in my tomato paste. I'm going to be frying this tomato paste for like, I did check the time, but you're going to fry it until it is properly fried, okay? While stirring at interval so that it doesn't get burnt. You're going to fry the tomato paste until it scatters so that it's not going to, this tangy taste that comes with tomato paste, so that everything will just disappear, okay? So here it is, our tomato paste is properly fried. It is not burnt. No, this tomato paste is not burnt. I fried it until I fried all those tangy taste away. So now I'm going to be adding in my pepper mix. And at this point, I'm going to be seasoning my pepper mix. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this now, cover the pot and allow this to fry. Mind you, I've been frying this on medium to low heat, okay? Not on high heat, medium to low heat so that it can cook very well. I will stir this now, cover the pot and allow this to fry for some more. You can see how thick my pepper mix is looking like. I'm going to be sharing the video in this video, okay? I'm going to be leaving the link in this video, the link of the video of how I make my pepper mix. If you have not been making pepper mix like that, please do. So now our pepper mix is properly fried. You can see the pepper mix is properly fried. At this point, this is the base for jollof rice. If you want to make your jollof rice, this is also the base to make your jollof rice. But we're not making jollof rice, we are making stew. So I'm going to be adding in my salt now. Then I will go in with some water because the stew is thick and I don't want it to be very thick. Okay, so I added in water to loosen it up a bit. Stir this. At this point I'm going to be adding in my smoked fish. I'm going to mix this now. I will cover the pot and allow this to cook, okay? To cook on medium to low heat so that the taste and everything can marry each other very well. I will cover this and allow it to cook on medium to low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes, okay? 4 to 5 minutes is a lot of time. And guys, at this point our stew is ready. Look how yummy, look how delicious this stew is looking like the video is not even doing justice to this stew. You can see how yummy this stew is looking like. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Don't forget to like this video and please also help me to share this video, okay? Don't forget to do all the beautiful stuff to this channel. If you have not liked this video at this point, please help me to click on the like button. Liking is free, to subscribe is free, okay? There's no hidden charges, okay? Guys, look how our stew is looking like. So yummy, so delicious. Let me know, will you be trying out this recipe, and let me know what you'll be enjoying this with. Will you be enjoying with just rice or rice and beans? I enjoyed mine with some white rice, and then later on I had it with rice and beans. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to do all the beautiful stuff to this channel, okay? I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.